Dubai is known for its luxury and extravagance, and its water parks are no exception. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the top water parks in the city that offer thrilling rides and experiences for people of all ages. From the towering slides at Aquaventure Waterpark to the serene lazy river at Wild Wadi Waterpark, we'll give you an inside look at what makes these water parks some of the best in Dubai. So grab a towel and a swimsuit, and let's dive in. Splash Pad. Enjoy a fun water splash-in family day at Dubai Hills Park's awesome Splash Pad, Dubai's newest, coolest, and most exciting aqua attraction. Shaded and sheltered away from the sun, your little ones will be happily gliding down the slides, splashing in the puddle pool and running all around. There's even a big bucket that keeps dumping water over your kids, so beware, you never know when will you be showered from above. Parents can kick back and relax on the sandy shore whilst the little ones have a blast in the water. Aquafun. Aquafun holds Guinness record for the world's largest inflatable water park that operates all year round. This award-winning water park in the heart of Dubai's most popular beach, JBR, offering fun to up to 1,000 plus guests at any given time. It has over 110 plus obstacles that you will need to conquer whilst floating in the sea with your friends and family. With unparalleled views of the famous Jumeirah beach residences in the background, this multi-award-winning water park makes the must-do list for anyone looking for some beachside thrills. Although it may be hard to notice from the ground, the entire floating park spells out Dubai. Laguna Waterpark. With its sea-fresh theme, family attractions, and beachside charm, La Mer is on every visitor's itinerary. While there is a lot to explore, the on-site water park must be at the top of your list. Billed as Dubai's coolest beachfront destination, the Laguna Waterpark houses a huge water slide complex with thrilling rides for fun seekers of all ages. Try surfing at the Wave Ounce 180 Flow Rider experience, one of only 3 in the world, or hop aboard the Manta for a cool raft ride with epic twists and turns. From splashtastic thrills and the dedicated children's zone, to the infinity pool and lazy river, Laguna Waterpark has it all. Aquaventure. Aquaventure Waterpark is the largest water park in the world and one of the top water parks in Dubai. It is known for its thrilling rides and attractions. Located at the Atlantis The Palm Resort on Palm Jumeirah, the water park covers an area of over 42 acres and features a range of rides and slides, as well as a 2.3-kilometer lazy river. Some of the park's most popular attractions include the Tower of Neptune and the Tower of Poseidon, which feature a variety of water slides and rides, including the record-breaking Leap of Faith, a 27.5-meter high slide that sends riders through a transparent tunnel in a shark-filled lagoon. The water park also features a private beach and a kids' play area, making it a great destination for families. Legoland Waterpark. Splash into a world of Lego adventures at Legoland Waterpark, the region's only water park designed for families with kids aged to 12. Let your creativity and imagination flow with over 20 Lego-themed water slides and attractions. Most rides and slides allow little ones to ride together in groups or race against one another. The Duplo Splash Safari caters to toddlers, while the single slides provide thrills for braver, bigger kids. Children can also exercise their brain cells with Build-A-Boat, where they can construct any kind of boat imaginable and test it against the current to see how well it fares. Those looking to float down the lazy river can customize their rafts with big, soft Lego-style bricks at the Build-A-Raft River before sailing off. Wild Wadi Waterpark. Wild Wadi Waterpark is a popular water park in Dubai, located in the Jumeirah. Call off at Wild Wadi Waterpark with over 30 attractions perfect for the entire family. Ride a water roller coaster, take the plunge down gravity-defying slides, or simply float on the lazy river and admire the stunning backdrop with views of Burj Al Arab. Some of the park's most popular attractions include the Jumeirah Sira, a 33-meter high slide that reaches speeds of up to 80 km per hour, and the Master Blaster, a water roller coaster that uses water jets to propel riders up and down through the twists and turns of the ride. The park also has a dedicated area for younger children, with gentler slides and a shallow pool. Wild Wadi Waterpark is a fun and exciting destination for people of all ages. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the best water parks in Dubai. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the exciting rides and attractions that these water parks have to offer. Whether you're looking for thrilling water slides or a relaxing day by the pool, there's something for everyone in Dubai's water parks. We hope you're inspired to visit these amazing attractions and make some unforgettable memories. Please press the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which of the water parks you are looking forward to visit. To watch more content like this, subscribe to Travel Spot and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, have a splashtastic day.